everybody. This is Corey. Welcome to the Coriolis Diamond Painting Effect. I'm here today with an unboxing. This is from Diamond Art Club. This is one that I pre-ordered. Seems to be about the only way I can get the kind I want anymore is to pre-order them. I wonder... Gosh, I wonder why Diamond Art Club doesn't do that on all their diamond paintings. It just seems like there's so many people who want so many of their diamond paintings that they're just never available. And I know right now, because of the coronavirus, it's a little bit more difficult than normal. But it always has been difficult to get the ones that you want. So... Anyways, so this is what I got. There's a shipping label in there. This is Chuck Pinson's Cottage by the Sea. Here, let me put it this way. Get it to focus there. That's his Cottage by the Sea. I love all of his. The most recent one he came out with that I like is called something like out in the country, or maybe it's just out there. And it's just a old-timey truck, my favorite thing, and a tent out in the country, you know, somebody out camping. And I just love that one. But of course, I'm too late for it. And I don't know, I don't have money to order anything right now anyway. We will have to wait for another influx of some cash, man. This one I pre-ordered it on April the 30th. 2020, and for a pre-order, I'm thinking that's probably pretty good time that it took, even in the middle of this pandemic. There's a sticker that shows the Cottage by the Sea. I hope that means does that mean I'm not gonna get stickers for the symbols? That'll make me sad. Let's see, there's something else in here. Hold on. There it is! Yay! So I do. So this is a sticker. It's one giant sticker. So if you can use it as is, or you can cut it up into make stickers for your containers. And I will probably I'll probably make a copy of it and then go ahead and make my own stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. It's just, this is kind of nice. Anyway, there are 43 colors in this diamond painting. This is the toolkit. Diamond painting toolkit. It says it's for square diamond painting. We have the heart wax. There's some baggies here. We have a clear tray and a squishy. It's the sharp tweezers, and that's a 3-placer, single placer pen, and sharp tweezers. So that's the toolkit for this diamond painting. I'm going to let's see where the edge is of this. Let's see if I can sit down, because this is difficult for me with my back. It comes in its own little sleeve. And here we go. Kind of excited. Excitement is here. These are the instructions. And oh, it's got that nice soft back. Looks like it got some pieces on there. These are the drills. It's very muted, earthy colors. They're not very bright and vibrant. There's a few of them in here that are bright. It has that teal green in there that's bright and vibrant. So I think that teal is the color of the water in this diamond painting. So let's go ahead and roll this out and look at it. I am quite confident that we're not getting the whole picture in there, but I will see what I can do to make that visible. It is quite sticky, but the drill field is very clear. Of course, Diamond Art Club uses poured glue for their diamond paintings. I've got most of it in here, haven't I? This doesn't want to slide because of the backing, the flannel-like backing doesn't, it's catching on my bedspread. So it just doesn't want to slide. Oh wow, look at that detail. You can see the cobblestones and the flowers. There's a bird over here. Oh, I love it. And the lighthouse. And I'll bring it up close for you so you can see the drill field. Up here, up close. Oh, this whole, this is sort of like the last big diamond painting I did, only it did not have a lighthouse in it and the colors were completely different. But it was a seaside home with about this type of a home that was there in it. But it did not have the lighthouse and the sailboat and all this other stuff on it. So anyway, I am excited to do this one. This will be fun. Let's look at some of the drills. Cottage by the Sea. If I could, I would have every one of Chuck Pinson's diamond paintings. I just love everything he does. Those look like really, really nice drills. These are the colors. I'm going through these very fast. Browns, and that's the coral. Some more browns. Greens, yellows. There's that color. I love that color. Here's the oranges. Yellows, browns. There's a lot of 3371s. Anyway, let's see. Are these the ABs? No, they're not. They're not. I just kind of thought that because they're separate. Here's some more of that teal. Now, I did not see the two ABs. So, let's see. I've never done ABs in a square before. This will be my first time. Huh. I'm going to pause it because I don't want you guys to watch me struggle, but I'm going to find those ABs. Hold on. Okay, I am back, and it looks like the situation is this. There are not 2 ABs in here, even though it says on the thing that I ordered that there were. But I'm looking at the chart right here, and there are no special numbers. The ABs are a special number, and so it must have been a mistake when they listed it. I am not that heartbroken about it. I'm okay. I don't flip all that much over AB drills. I've never really gotten on that bandwagon, so I'm okay. It would have been nice to try and see how it would do in a square diamond, but it's fine with me. This is I'm gonna sum it up real quick. This is from Diamond Art Club. It's the Cottage by the Sea by Chuck Pinson. It is a 55 by 74 centimeter full square diamond painting with 43 colors. It cost $49.99. I ordered it on April 30th. It got here on June 9th, and that's 40 days it took for me to order a pre-order diamond painting in the middle of a pandemic and get it in 40 days. So I think that's doing great. I want to thank y'all for joining me for the Coriolis Diamond Painting Effect. Take care, because I want to see you again in the next one.